Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zerion for DeFi portfolio tracking and alerts, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Zerion for DeFi portfolio tracking, visit the Zerion website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required details, such as your email address and a secure password. Once you've completed the registration form, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in your email to verify your account. After verification, log into your Zerion account using your credentials. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard. To add your DeFi assets, click on the Portfolio section in the menu. Select the option to add asset. You can either search for specific tokens or connect your wallet for automatic tracking. If you choose to connect your wallet, follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to authorize Zerion to access your wallet for accurate data. Once your assets are added, you will see an overview of your portfolio. To set up alerts, navigate to the Alerts section in the menu. Click on Create Alert. Choose the asset you want to monitor and specify the price thresholds for alerts. You can also select the frequency of these alerts based on your preferences. After configuring your alert, save your settings. You're now all set to track your DeFi portfolio and receive timely alerts. Regularly check your dashboard for updates on your asset performance. Enjoy efficiently managing your DeFi investments with Zerion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.